Most people don't think about planting in the fall as much as they do the springtime. But fall is a great time to plant. The cooler nights and the cooler days and a little more moisture usually are great for establishing plants, but also those cool nights and days really bring out the colors in the flowers. Hardy Boy has a great selection of plants for the fall that you can use. We have a lot of traditional plants like pansies and mums and things like even flowering cabbage and kale, which are great plants, and people think of those for cool seasons. But don't forget about perennials. We have a lot of grasses and black-eyed Susans, agastache, sedums, and things like this creme brulee heuchera or coral bells, which has a lovely dark purple underside and sort of peachy apricot-y tones in it, and things like dark leaf sedums are great for fall planting. Traditionally, pansies are used to plant in large color beds, and they come in an enormous selection of colors for fall. Orange, reds, and even things like the dark purples and the yellows. Really, those jewel tones are great for fall planting. Adding a little texture with the flowering cabbage and kale and the sedums and things like that, or maybe some grasses, are great to kind of mix it up a little bit. Containers are great for patios, porches, balconies. If you don't have a yard, a nice fall pot to give you that ambiance is great. This one has some dark leaf cordyline, mums, the flowering cabbage, and then for a little more color we have the pansies, and a trailing plant such as this dark leaf sedum trailing out of the plant is really nice for that fall accent. We also have some things that you might not think of, like cyclamen are great. They love the cool season, and they will continue to bloom right until a hard frost would knock them down. So when you think of fall planting, think of Hardy Boy and visit your local independent garden center to choose some great fall color, or you can go to our website, which is hardyboyplant.com, and you can find a retailer or a landscaper near you to help you with all this fabulous fall color.